Good evening to Gagan Sai.
Good evening, Ma.
Yeah, today is the 7th class Telangana State English. Unit 1, A reading, B reading, C reading. A reading notes is completed. Today we read the notes and read the question and answers in B reading and C reading. First of all, once read the question and answers in B reading. 1 to 10 questions are there in our textbook. So that's why first of all I read one by one question and answers notes and read the questions, all are questions. Yeah, B reading poems. The town child, the country child. Understood of this story? Yeah, first bit answers the following questions. First question, where does the town child want to live? Answer, the town child wants to live in a country. Second question, why is there a smoke in the towns? Answer, there is a smoke in the towns because there are buses, motors, trams and factories in the towns. Next, third question, there is one thing that the town child loves. What is it? Answer, the town child loves the sky. Next question, fourth question, there is no one to play with at all. This sentence means A is there are no people in a village, B is there are no players in village, and C is that the villages have lesser population than the towns. Answer is the C correct only. What is the next fifth question? What is the wish of the country child? Answer, the wish of the country child is to live in a town. Sixth question, which child is able to watch meadows and lambs? Answer, the country child is able to watch meadows and lambs. Next, seventh question, why are the lands in the country so quiet? Answer, the lands in the country are quiet because there is less population in the country. Next, eighth question, why are nights colorful in towns? Answer, nights are colorful in the towns because of the bright lights used to decorate and to advertise. Next is the ninth question there in our textbooks only. Next, this is the 11th question. If you were given an option to live in a town or a country, where would you prefer to live? Give reasons for your option. If I were given an option to live in a town or a country, I would prefer to live in a country because I like the fresh air, organic farming, the greenery, the silence and the peaceful lifestyle of the village. This is the B reading question and answers is completed. This is the B reading and textbook is the 9th questions. Next I explaining that the 9th question is also there. This is the all are the 10 questions are there completed. Notes read and practice Gagan Sai. Next will 9th question in our textbook B reading 9th question only. 9th, pick out the rhythmic words from the both the poems. The first one is done for you. Go, row, here, near, bright, right, blue, two, hours, flowers, near, dear. This is the 9th question in our B reading only. So next is the B reading is completed. Next C reading notes. This is the C reading, the new blue dress. Here it is the 5 questions there one by one and read and notes also write down. First of all I read the all our question and answers. First bit answers the following questions. First question. What kind of street was Gates Avenue of the beginning of a story and what happened at the end? Answer. Gates Avenue was a noisy, dirty and ugly street without any pavement and running water facility or street lights at the beginning of the story. At the end of the story, Gates Avenue became a clean street with a good pavement, street light and running water facilities. Second question. Why do you think the teacher gave the blue dress to the little girl? Answer. When the teacher told the dirty and untidy girl to wash her face, she washed her face, but she wore the same dirty dress. So the teacher understood that the girl was obedient but was fool. So the teacher took pity on her and gave the blue dresses. Next, third question. What change did the new blue dress bring the little girl's house? Answer. When the little girl's parents saw the little girl clean and pretty in the new blue dresses, they too decided to keep their house and the surrounded clean. They washed their kitchen floor, repaired their pens, made a garden and laid a cloth on the kitchen table. Next, fourth question. How did the change in the little girl's house influence the neighbors? Answer. The neighbors observed the change in the little girl's house and felt that it was nice, and they too painted their houses and kept their surroundings clean. Next, fifth question. Do you think behavior of a people influence other all the time? Give examples. Yes, I think the behavior of a people influence others all the time. For example, when our friends behave in a polite way, we too follow them. This is the notes. All are the 1 to 5 question and answers. C reading question and answers is completed. You all are the reading practice Gagan Sai. A reading, B reading, C reading, all question and answers. You can practice at home. Say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan Sai. Say bye bye.